Ma'am,
Huh?
what is S1 and S2 heart sound?
Okay, first understand our heart work as a pump. It contract and relax in a regular manner, and each heartbeat produces vibration which we hear using stethoscope. So these vibration are called heart sound, means S1 and S2 means love or dub, which gives important clue about working of a heart. So S1 heart sound means love occur during beginning of ventricular systoles, means during closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve, which we best heard at the fifth intercostal space on left side, where S2 heart sound means dub occur during end of ventricular systoles, means during closure of aortic and pulmonary valve, which we best heard at the base of the heart.